A new road by us would be to rule for respondent, correct?
I would say so, Justice Sotomayor, yes.
It would put at risk dozens of federal statutes, correct?
I think so. If the court says that neither through the spending clause or the combination of the spending and necessary and proper clause Congress can't do this, then I think that would be groundbreaking, yes.
Similarly groundbreaking is the requirement that somehow when individual damages are at risk that Congress has to be more specific than using appropriate relief, because we've approved damages under appropriate relief in other statutes, haven't we? Spending clause.
Well, yeah, and Franklin's a good example of this, because in Franklin there was not even an express cause of action. So if we're concerned about clear notice and what clear notice is, here we have an express cause of action that expressly applies to these officials and expressly provides for appropriate relief.
Thank you, counsel.
Thank you.
Justice Kagan?
When you just said, Ms. Baird, groundbreaking, could you hum a few more bars on that? I mean, groundbreaking how? Groundbreaking what would happen? What would follow?
Sure. Well, I mean, I think Petitioner's brief laid this out nicely, but there's sort of a long history of Congress being able to reach outside of the strict privity between the federal government and an entity that receives funds. I think all of that could be called into question. I think we've cited some sort of on-point statutes in our brief where employees or agents can be held liable. That's the Federal Nursing Home Reform Act, EMTALA, Title X. And then I think if the court accepts respondents' arguments on the constitutional issues, I think that could call into question Section 666, the bribery statutes, and Sabri. I think that this case is such an easy case because this case does not even approach the outer limit that this court has recognized in Sabri as permissible. And I think all the court has to do, the court does not need to extend Salinas and Sabri. I think all it has to do is cite those cases, say that no one has asked us to overrule them. Case closed.
On Salinas and